Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me share to you how to get high APY by just staking in DeFi platform. So let's stay tuned. So this is DefiLab. In today's episode, let me share to you a way to generate up to 200% APY. Alright, so this is DefiLab. DefiLab is actually a DeFi platform. And you can see here, DefiLab brings artificial intelligence to DeFi. And one of the major benefits of DeFi is the large quantity of public data being generated surrounding financial transaction. This vast collection of financial data can be used to train and improve artificial AI model such as arbitrage bot that attempt to maximize gain from anticipated assets price fluctuation. So you can see this is the important one. So this DefiLabs, right, use AI technology to help you to get high APY from this platform using arbitrage bot. Why? Because it reduce the error, no risk, 24/7, unbiased decision, quick decision making, and increase efficiency. Alright, so this is the overall of DefiLab. Of course, if you want to know more and if you want to have an account here, I'll put down the link at below and follow their social media channel to find out the latest output or input in this DeFi lab. Alright, so right now I think they have recently have a lot of AMA to talk about this DeFi lab. And if you guys want to follow, want to know more and understand more about this DeFi labs, feel free to join their Telegram. It's important. Alright, but I think it's quite straightforward in the end. How do I say straightforward is because let me show to you how you actually register an account here. I mean, when you register actually, you just need to log into your MetaMask wallet. So right now you can see, right, this is my MetaMask wallet. It's actually in a BSC network. So I will do a quick tutorial how to stake your tokens to earn USDT in this farm. Right, that I mentioned earlier, of course, you need to have a MetaMask wallet. How you want to do that is you're gonna click this this extension, not MetaMask. Click this extension and click this MetaMask, and you will be able to see your wallet. Make sure it is on Smart Chain, not Ethereum mainnet, because you are using BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. So right now you can see I have about 0.367 BNB to do the testing. So right now you can, I go all the way down, I will be looking for BNB. Okay, so I just need to click refresh and I think I will be able to see my tokens here. Right now you can see here. See? I have BNB balance of 0.36. So if I want to stake on a flexible, which is 0 days, I just click farm, I just put all and I click farm. So right now you will be able to see how much APY estimated I'm gonna get per day, per year, not per day, sorry, because APY annual per year. Make sure you know that. Alright, so once you are happy with it, just click farm. You will pop up the MetaMask wallet and you need to pay some gas fee, which is few cents. Alright, so if you see, right, if few cents is written there insufficient funds, right, you're gonna click reject and you're gonna remove this back end and click farm. So right now I believe that it will have some gas fees to pay the gas fees, and you just click confirm. So once you have clicked that, I assume that it already successful. You can see here, and you can see I'm staking right now 0.36. Right now I'm earning about 0 USDT, about 25. Wow, that's very quickly. And I can harvest it anytime. So when I withdraw, I just need to withdraw out. Of course, I need some BNB gas for gas fee for a few cents. So let it be there. And that's all, and very simple tutorial how you're able to put in your BNB or put in your cake or put in your USDT, BUSD, BTC, ETH to stake and farm USDT. Alright, so what are you able to farm is you can farm using your own cakes if you have cake. If you want to farm using your own BNB, you can use BNB. If you have USDT, you can use your USDT to farm. You can use BUSD to farm. You can use BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Alright, so if you go all the way up, right, you'll realize that usually you were able to farm and earn USDT. So if you stick your cake inside, you will get USDT. And the difference between these three is the duration of the lockup. So if you plan to have a flexible withdrawal when you want to put in your money anytime you can withdraw, feel free to use the first column, which is 0. If you want to lock up for 30 days, okay, what's the difference is basically the APY. So you can see that APY will get higher when you lock higher duration. So it really depends on your preference in the end. If let's say if you have BNB, then you can just lock BNB to get USDT up to 243. Surprisingly, here is up to 444. Not 200% that I mentioned, is 400%. Especially BUSD, USDT, that is a lot of APY. Why there's a lot of APY, right? It's because they actually use the arbitrage board, to buy here at a lower price, then sell here at a higher price on the pool, which is the higher price, which pool the lower price. The bot can actually find by themselves. So this is the way of them doing it. Of course, different DeFi platform offer different APY because of their technology, because of different platform using different tech. So some people use arbitrage board, some people use some other way to get you APY. So I would say since it's 400%, it's something. So if you wanna ask my honest opinion, when I go into all this DeFi lab, the most important part is whether it's secure enough to put my money into this DeFi lab or this DeFi platform. And the answer is, I actually have found this smart contract auditing report from this coin machinery, which is they are actually doing the blockchain security, smart contract audits, and KYC. So this is actually the audit report since December 15. So this is actually the DeFi lab, as you can see here, and this is all the report that you need to know to see whether is it fishy or not fishy. Okay, so this is actually to maximize the trustworthy towards the customer, whether it's safe or not. But if you scroll all the way down, till the end, you will see that the audited is passed. No critical issue, no high issue, no medium issues. You can see all the lines here, the smart contract lines. Make sure they are all fine. You can see all passed. There's no backdoor, any smart contract breach, and which is a pink. All right. So if you ask about my review, I would say definitely you can try it out. There's no harm in trying out by putting little money here and there. Test it out first. Test the water first. And if you like it, then you can put, I don't know, up to you. Right? So I would say worth to try. If you are a lazy person that don't like to do trading and you think DeFi is the way to go, just try out. There's no harm, right? So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and